Have you ever watched a football game and heard two different numbers mentioned for a quarterback's performance, like one being in the 100 range and another being much lower, say in the 50s or 60s? It can definitely be confusing trying to figure out which one tells the real story. What are these different numbers, and why do they often look so different? QBR and Passer Rating both measure quarterback performance, but they approach the task with fundamentally different philosophies and calculations. Passer Rating is a traditional, formula-based statistic using a few core passing metrics, while QBR, or Total Quarterback Rating, is a more modern and comprehensive metric developed by ESPN that attempts to evaluate a quarterback's contribution to every play, adjusting for various game factors. The core difference lies in their complexity and what they try to capture. Passer Rating, sometimes called the NFL Passer Rating, relies on four main components: completion percentage, yards per attempt, touchdowns per attempt, and interceptions per attempt. These raw numbers are plugged into a relatively straightforward formula. It treats every yard and every completion as equal, regardless of the game situation. QBR, however, goes much deeper. It uses a proprietary formula to evaluate all plays, including rushes, fumbles, and sacks, and it adjusts for factors like down and distance, time on the clock, field position, and even garbage time when the game is already decided. This means a 3-yard pass on 3rd and long is valued differently than a 3-yard pass on 3rd and short. To use these stats effectively, think about what kind of insight you are seeking. If you want a quick, historical comparison of pure passing efficiency based on basic statistics, Passer Rating provides a good benchmark. It is a familiar and widely understood number. However, if you are looking for a more nuanced and context-aware evaluation of a quarterback's overall impact on a game, QBR offers a more complete picture. It aims to quantify a quarterback's contribution to winning, attributing value to their decisions and actions across all play types. An interesting detail about QBR is that it is scaled from 0 to 100, making it easier to interpret at a glance, with 50 being considered average. Passer Rating, on the other hand, can go above 100, with a perfect rating being 158.3. Another key point is that QBR accounts for the difficulty of a pass. A 20-yard throw into a tight window under pressure will boost a quarterback's QBR more significantly than a 2-yard check down pass to an open receiver. Ultimately, understanding both QBR and Passer Rating gives you a richer perspective on quarterback play. While Passer Rating gives you a historical, stat-focused view of passing efficiency, QBR provides a modern, all-encompassing measure that tries to capture a quarterback's total impact, including their decision-making and situational awareness, moving beyond just simple passing numbers to show who truly helps their team win.